Our Mystery, UFO-Like Clouds, by Santiago Garcia, David Patiño, and Angis Capdevila. What makes it a mystery? In January 2011, without any reason, three similar UFO-like clouds appeared over Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. The HARP, High Frequency Active Aurora Research Program, which is related with weather control, could be responsible of this situation. Even it could be a sign of second coming of Christ. What do we, what do we believe? We believe that these weird shapes in the sky may be caused by an interaction between the airplane's motors and the clouds and at a specific temperature. Also, we think that this phenomenon can be produced by something randomly. It must be consequence of something chemical caused by the man. What has science found? On January 7 of 2011, there were a few training maneuvers over Myrtle Beach. Although the weather and the kind of cloud satisfy the optimal conditions for this natural phenomenon, they must be the main reason of these UFO-like clouds.